Hi, thank you for tuning in to Mary Precious Decorations and More. And on this particular video, as you can see, I'm going to be doing a DIY. And I will be using this in my Tablescape. And if you want to see how I do this, just keep on watching. And just want to pause for a minute just to say Happy Mother's Day to all of the mothers. You guys are excellent. If you are a mother or you are acting as a mother or godmother, whatever, you are the best thing that ever can happen to that child or those children. Okay, guys, so here we are. We are using some grape spray here from Rust-Oleum to make my DIY, and you will see how I style this. And back to the mothers. This is a special dedication to all of the mothers, especially my mother, Queen Victoria Williams. She died around Mother's Day a few years ago, and she was a person of royalty. So I decided to continue on with my purple and try to dedicate something to her using those colors in my color scheme. And I'm going to be using little doves because she was a peaceful lady, so I'm bringing in the dove as well. And it's going to be a very simple purple tablescape. Now, how are you all doing, mothers? I know you've been toiling and all year. Guys, we want to celebrate the mothers. So here we are, guys. I didn't do any decoration. Didn't let you see me do any decoration in this video because I want to go ahead on and jump into it. And I'll be showing you a few DIYs in this video. And this is a continuation from the rest of the spaces in my houses, various spaces where I have already decorated my space in purple. And I ordered some more items. I'm just waiting on those to come in so I can show those to you. And some pieces have already came in, so I will be doing a video on that. And I showed you my new purple picture on the wall that was in my last video. If you have not seen that, I will link that in the description box below, so you can follow me on doing purple in my house. I did a bedroom in purple, also did a bathroom. So guys, I'm going to be moving on to maybe my kitchen. And if you want to see or be notified when I upload those videos, you can go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell, and that way it'll say ding, Mary Precious Decoration and More has uploaded another video, so you won't miss out on that. Okay, so guys, I'm glad that you stopped by, and I hope that you are having a wonderful day. You have already planned your Mother's Day. Children, do something special for your mom. It don't have to be so expensive. You can just do a DIY. You can invite her over to dinner. Just something small, okay? And she will remember that for the rest of her life. Now, I wish I had a mother, a living mother. I wish I had one still alive, and I tell you, I would go all the way out for her. I miss her so much because she died around Mother's Day. And for years, I could not celebrate Mother's Day happily, okay? Because I was thinking about her, and the little grieving tried to come on this time, so I had to rebuke it because yesterday was the day where May 8th, she passed away. And so on May 8th, I kind of struggled a little bit, was heavy at heart. But, you know, I just had to pray and ask God to relieve the burden, okay? So my husband, he was supportive. He called me at work, and he was just trying to encourage me because he knew what I was going through. And for all of you all that have lost a mother, I'm praying for you. I'm praying that you get through this Mother's Day. Maybe your mother just passed on, maybe a few days, a few months ago, a year ago, whatever. This never leaves your heart, okay? It never leaves your heart. So just want to encourage all of the mothers out there that have children. Just I bless you. God bless you, okay? All right, guys, so we are going to do a little explain on what I got going on here. I have my gold utensils, my silverware, flatware. Got those crisscross on my plates. And these are some purple plates, like lavender plates. And I pull them out like maybe, I don't know, twice a year or less than that. I think last year I didn't pull them out at all. But here is charger that I DIY'd a few years back when we was doing the purple and pink collaboration with some of the ladies on YouTube, and we had a ball, had a feast. So we had to do something in purple and pink, and I never at that particular time had decorated in pink and purple. But it was so beautiful. So if you can go back to one of those videos, go back to that video, that purple and pink collaboration for, I think it was Mother's Day. Go back there and watch what that purple and pink looks like. And if I can find it, I will link it down below. Now, this little dove here represents peace, because my mom, she was so peaceful. Everything can be going on around her, and she would just be so much at peace. And this little green plant represents how she loves plants. Green plants, flowers, whatsoever. She loved it. She had a yard full of plants, flowers, everything. Porch, it was just full. Now, right along here, this is the piece that I picked up from Temu with the little forks, spoons, knives. And I thought that was so cute, guys. And here is my little dish that I picked up from, I believe it was Marshall's. Got my pecan sandies cookies in it, okay? And here is the little piece that I was spray painting when you guys first came on to this video. At the beginning of this video, this is what I was doing, and this is my arrangement. I want to put something purple on my microwave, sort of like deck that out a little bit. So this is what it's looking like, and I think it turned out lovely, along with my little napkin holder there. And let's switch over to this side. Now right here, I just got my TV, and on each side I added a little purple. And now these are different shades of purple. This is a sunflower, and just put it in a vase. Put my little two purple candles right near the vases. Okay, and right along here, I had this up for a minute, and many of you that had been following me, I had it switched over to my living room. Now, guys, at this time, we are coming to the end of this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video as I put it together. And once again, I want to say Happy Mother's Day to you guys. And guys, just continue to be blessed. Walk in trusting God's favor. You are favor of God. There's nothing, no good thing God will withhold from you. So until the next time, guys, be blessed and Happy Mother's Day. Bye-bye.